Hey guys, so we are gonna play the VR and try some boxing. So for the first time, the second version of Thrill of the Fight has released, so we wanted to try it out. So let's see how it goes.
Although I need to show him how to use VR as he gifted it to me as a birthday gift. And yeah, now usually he's better with technology stuff, but this is an exception where surprisingly I am better than him. So I might need to firstly show
Yeah,
him, to remind him how to use some stuff.
yeah, how to turn it on, go into the game and stuff.
How to start recording and stuff.
Yeah.
Yes, true. And another funny thing is that the games only work on my laptop, not on his, and his
Yeah.
laptop is a bit more powerful, but still somehow it
Yeah.
just works on my laptop, so that's surprising. Okay, so firstly let's use this white button. Okay.
Microphone you're not having, so.
Okay, I mean I got used to kind of using
Yeah, you can use the hand also, right? Yeah. What do you want?
Okay, never mind. Well, now it's okay.
Uh,
Okay, recording now. It's like you go to, there's this icon in menu which is camera, you go there and then it asks you like recording, take photo, okay, as you click recording, okay?
Okay.
So you will also do by yourself, okay, later. Okay, it's done.
Yeah, now can you go into the
Thrill
apps?
of Fight,
Yeah,
it's
two.
actually,
Yeah.
it was in the menu, yeah. Okay, done. So that's how it looks like, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, now Raj, you want me to resume the game?
What were we receiving?
Okay, let me quit and then we'll go again.
New, yeah, freshly.
Stand straight and look at.
Oh, that one I have to do because it's for my
For your
height.
but it adjusted for mine now.
Okay.
But yeah, it's
Can
like,
you
okay.
redo it? How to redo
I
it?
mean, like, no, there's no option to go.
Or
back.
just
But
go
maybe
back,
let's
maybe.
see. Maybe let's just see. Okay.
Do you know how to go back?
No.
Which is this and that?
This is the turn, okay? No, you move the stuff in the middle.
Okay.
The middle button moves the, area or like whatever, the menu and stuff, like I noticed.
Okay, you go, you sit, you watch.
Okay.
Enjoy your study.
Okay, guys, enjoy watching Raj how he's playing Thrill of the Fight 2.
Wow, the guy is standing next to me.
I wonder whether he can hear you.
I don't know. The guy is also very surprised. Oh, the guy doesn't know how to. I mean, he. Such a bad idea to eat cake.
And you wanted a second piece as well.
He's not doing anything though.
Chill.
Yeah.
Done
Second round.
with the same guy.
Yeah. Disconnected. Oh god. Headset Wi-Fi disconnected. I don't know. It's so tiring though.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can always give like and subscribe, or watch also my other videos that will appear over here. And see you in the next episode. See you.